absolutely the best and the greatest and the most spectacular and the most perfect right now, because the goal always indeed is to be so. Message and well, this is Kaivan Irani, your success facilitator. Now, today, of course, the objective or the syntax or the sequence or the frame of context of this presentation is that I belong to a professional speaking association outside of this it's an international speakers association, really good speakers, professional speakers in the association. And some time ago I volunteered to sort of be a mentor to an organization which is based out of India. Of course, this was supposed to be done online. So I'll utilize the individual's initials. So it's PC, the Perfectly Charismatic 25. And the person who actually did the introduction, the person's is CK, Charismatic Knowledgeable 25. So I'm providing feedback to the person Charismatic Knowledgeable 25, and of course I am also going to include the person Perfectly Charismatic 25 in this presentation. So now I did an event recently on the 4th of February 2026. The day is a Wednesday, and it was just a half an hour presentation because of time constraints. The main topic is, what is your self-talk and how specifically is it instrumental in creating an outcome that you do want inherently, or you get the outcome that is exactly the opposite, that is based on your self-talk. Now the thing is, the self-talk actually creates an identity, and identity creates a belief. So for example, I'll just use the phrase I am, and then whatever you choose to fill in the blanks with. I am perfectly charismatic, I'm perfectly skillful, I'm perfectly perfect, I'm perfectly successful, I'm perfectly the best, I'm the best. So these are phrases, what I call empowering, enhancing phrases, which create an empowered state. So anyways, the outcome is that I did reach out to PC25 as we communicated, and I reached out to PC25 on WhatsApp Messenger, and of course I didn't speak on the phone. So PC25 apparently was completely unreceptive to my communication, because the person reached out to me and then that was it. The matter concluded there. So there was no specific outcome. And having said that, what I can offer you right now is that I have some feedback which is on LinkedIn about a couple of participants. The participants, I believe, were only 17, or it's a small audience, and 30 minutes is the timeline, and the impact that I was able to create is just absolutely phenomenal, because that is as true as we see the sun rise from the east. So what I recommend you do is, if you so choose to and wish to, I can provide you the feedback via WhatsApp, and then you can forward it. You can forward the same to the person concerned. And having said that, of course, I'm going to be unable to move ahead with this specific PC25, because I respect what I bring to the table. The value that I bring is infinite to the table, because it is as true as we see the sun. As we see the sun rise from the east. So anyways, this is just to for me to provide you with complete clarity, and clarity is of utmost importance. And of course, as usual, this is a presentation on the public platform, and I always say this over and over and over again, and it's a statement that is completely and absolutely true. A billion, a million, a billion, or maybe a trillion views for this presentation, because that goes global. Make it a pleasant and a phenomenal, and of course, make it a pleasant and a phenomenal, and of course, you fill in the blanks, because remember, you always deserve the best.